And welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Likoko.com? If yes, then watch this video, because in this video we are going to share unbiased review regarding this website for you, so you can easily decide either you should buy anything from this store or to move on to some other. So let's check out about Likoko. Likoko is an online store that sells men's clothing like shirts, kurtas, jackets. The website's user interface is incredible, as you can easily find the best pick for yourself by using filters as per requirement. The complete size guide is provided on the site, which can refer you to find out the best fit for your body. The size ranges from small, medium, large, and XL. Specification of Likoko.com are: it is HTTPS secured website. They are selling men's clothes. It is 3 months and 27 days old website. It was registered on 31st May 2021. They have mentioned email address, but no contact detail have been shared. Moreover, they have mentioned the physical address. As far as return is concerned, they can return within the 7 days of its receiving, and if the return is approved, the company will refund purchase amount to the customer within 14 business days. However, the product or good must be in its original packing. As far as its shipping is concerned, they take 24 hours for shipping, and it will deliver within 3 to 8 days at your doorstep. The positive point of Likoko.com are: they have good quality and collection for men's, options available for kids, size guide is provided, proper contact information is given, free shipping on all orders. The negative point of Likoko.com are: it has poor trust score, the domain has a short life expectancy, fewer options to choose from, plagiarized content can be found on the website, customer policies are not mentioned vividly. Is Likoko legit? As we are checking out certain parameters to check out the legitimacy, so let's check some more in depth. It was registered on 31st May 2021, just for 1 year, like it will expire on 31st May 2022. It has poor trust score of 1% out of 100, and its trust rank is 47.7 out of 100. No Alexa ranking can be provided to Likoko.com, probably because it is an unpopular site. Moreover, no legit and trustable customer reviews are available for this site. All the policies are not mentioned, only few policies are mentioned on the website. Moreover, the content is not all original. There is some content that is copied from other site. As far as address is concerned, the company address mentioned on the website is also fake, and honest details have not been shared on the website. Moreover, we are unfortunate that we could not find any trustable customer review related to Likoko.com. However, there are reviews available in review section, which website itself for each product, where some user praise the product and only complain a little about it, is giving it a fabulous rating. But these reviews are not legit, as they are dated in 2018 and 2019, when the website domain was not even registered. Thus, they are manipulated by the owners and cannot be trusted. So in our final verdict, we can say that no doubt the website sells shirts, kurtas, and jackets for men, and the website has impressive and have impressive interface and impressive collection, but we could not allow you or recommend you to shop anything from this store, because this is a shady and questionable site. We all share all the details regarding this website, that the address mentioned is fake, the content is plagiarized, it has poor trust index and trust score, no reviews could be found on any trustable engine, so we are not recommending. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, and if you have want to share your views regarding this website, please write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.